Hello, here's another short video explaining the difference between sign and signature. Please put your sign here is what I often hear. But sign in English is a verb. And because it's a verb, we have to use a different way. We can say, please put your signature, noun, here. Or you can simply say, please sign here. And that's a correct way of doing it. The signature of famous people is called autograph. It's a different word, a special word. The signature of famous people that they use with fans. For example, fan says, "Can I have your autograph, please?" And a famous person or celebrity says, "Sure, here you go." And that's how you use sign, signature, and autograph. Hope you learned something new. Till the next one.